Privacy or cloud? Why not both? Why not for free? All the gigabytes you need, end-to-end encrypted with no monthly fee. This is Cubbit, the swarm beyond the cloud.
When we started working on the problem 3 years ago, we asked ourselves, is this the internet we want? Where the only way to store our data is to trade our privacy for a space in someone else's data center? Where we need to pay every single month to access our own files?
Then we had a breakthrough. Let's do what bees do. Let's join forces to build something completely new, something that was never done before. A distributed cloud powered by collective intelligence, where the swarm is more than the sum of its parts.
So this is a Cubbit Cell. It's all you need to enjoy the seamless sync and share features of the Cubbit Cloud. Cubbit works connecting the cells to each other, making you part of a swarm that stores and protects your data. For every file you save in your Cubbit folder, you get 3 layers of security. First, the file is encrypted with military-grade protocols. Then it is split into chunks, which are multiplied to ensure redundancy and constant uptime. Finally, all these chunks are spread across the network of Cubbit cells.
These steps are the basis of our zero-knowledge architecture, where nobody, not even us, can access your files. It is not about trust, it is about math. But how fast is all this? Fast, very fast, thanks to multiple parallel peer-to-peer connections.
Your Cubbit Cell already comes with built-in storage for your files and is expandable. Just plug in any physical drive you have around.
Your files in the swarm are always safe and backed up, and your cloud space is free, forever, not just for you. With one Cubbit Cell, you can open up to 4 independent cloud accounts.
The Cubbit Cell can also do the hard work for you. When you need to upload or send a large file, the cell takes care of it, so that you are free to go.
This is Cubbit, the only cloud that is not based on centralized, expensive, and polluting data centers. This is the swarm, and together we can create the first encrypted, green, forever free cloud for each of us. Join us beyond the cloud. Join the swarm.